Hello everyone, I'm Robert Pérez, General Manager of Villa del Arco Beach Resort and Spa. We're proud to be ranked number 6 among the top resorts in Western Mexico by Condé Nast Traveler in 2024. This recognition reflects the unforgettable experiences we deliver to our guests every single day. We have several keys. The first is the location of the hotel. The second is the view of the arch, the iconic rock formation of Los Cabos. Then, and most importantly, our people who make you feel at home every day with the details of a unique service. And finally, our gastronomy, a trip through the wonderful Mexican gastronomic world with 2 of the best restaurants in the area. We are innovating with our communication. This is very important for everything to flow smoothly. We have new systems to ensure our hotel operations are increasingly focused on detail. We provide ongoing training for all our employees. We have improved our service by applying food and beverage re-engineering. With this, we have improved our final product by 90% with a new team of chefs from the best culinary schools in Mexico. Management constantly pays attention to detail to ensure guests' satisfaction firsthand during their stay. And maintaining a unique service in the area in the style of Villa del Arco. We invite you to cast your vote as many times as you can until June 30th. Thank you for being part of the Villa Group family.